That was beautiful.
Did you guys think we're gonna end the summer without filming the boat? Well, I sure didn't. So here it is. This is the DEERC 818 brushless race boat. Let's check out what this thing's all about. All right, so we got the DEERC 818 brushless race boat. As you guys can see, this boat is nice and patriotic, red, white, and blue. And it says Storm Chaser on the side. Yeah, I like that. Looks like a really nice boat. Checking out the features here, we can see it has LED night navigation lights, capsize recovery, and high-speed driving. So this thing should be really quick. And then on the side here, it says it has full proportional control, low battery, and long-range signal alerts. That is really nice. 8-figure demonstration mode, so it has like a demo mode, and dual layer waterproof protection. Ooh. All right, so let's get this thing open. Really excited to take another boat out into the water. I do have a pretty viral video on TikTok of a jet stream. That boat's awesome, so I'm hoping this one is as equally as good. Oh yeah. Nice. All right, so here we have the instruction manual of the boat. If you've never driven a boat, you definitely want to go through that, but I think I'm pretty experienced to take this thing out in the water.
I'm fine, Captain Ted.
Yeah, I mean, if we take it slow.
Yeah, we're gonna take it slow. It's a little uncomfortable. Tell them it's safe. It's
gonna be safe because we'll batten down the hatches and secure the deck.
It was our time to party big. Let's go! Get it!
See what we got here. We have the battery. The included battery is a 2000 milliamp hour 3S battery. So plenty of power for a high-speed race boat. You do get a USB charger for the battery, so this will work with 3S. They also provide you with a nose protector and a spare propeller. Some tools to work on your boat. And here is a nice stand for it, so let's put that together. Very easy. You just take these two pieces, slide them together, then slide this one up here, and bam. There's your boat stand. All right, let's take the boat out because I can't wait. Yeah, look at that thing. Man, what a sweet boat. I can barely get in the picture, but yeah, I really like this. This is a pretty sick looking boat. So checking out the rear, we have a nice huge rudder, and there's our propeller. And this boat also has some fins in the back to keep it stable during high speeds. So yeah, this thing should be really good. Let's open up the battery compartment. So we just unlock it here, pull it off, then undo this. So these are like watertight. Then you just pull this up. Once we get the cover off, you can see our little motor in there. It looks like it's liquid cooled, and buried deep down there is the ESC. I don't know what it's rated at, but hey, it can take 3S and it does use Dean's. And there's our servo for the rudder. This overall seems like it's a really well constructed boat. And you always want to make sure when you put this cover on that everything's nice and airtight, because you don't want any water going into there. That's for sure. Then you just keep it on your stand, and man, that is a really nice boat. Can't say that enough. So checking out this transmitter, it's a little small, but yeah, it does feel good in my hand. As you can see here, you have basic functions. We have an on and off switch. Then we have steering trim, or rudder trim, I should say. Then we have the speed setting. It is at 100%, so that's good. And then we have channel 3. So if you capsize the boat and you want to flip it back over, you just hit channel 3 and it should flip back over. If you long press it, the lights should come on. If you double click it, the demonstration mode comes on. So pretty nice looking little transmitter. No foam wheel, nothing like that. Not that you need one. This is a boat, so you don't want that getting wet. But yeah, you know, not bad. Feels good in my hand. Here's a couple more shots of the boat before we go and put it in the water. As you can see, it looks pretty flashy on this stand right here. And yeah, I am really excited to take it out on the water. So let's do it. All right, so it's a beautiful day at this lake. I'm gonna test this boat out and see how it does. Now, it is almost fall, or probably fall by the time this video comes out. So football season is here. Got the transmitter on. Let's see if I still got my Tom Brady arm. Brady. All right, so the transmitter is blinking. And yeah, wow, all right, cool. Boat is working. Not too bad for a little budget boat. Takes a bit to get the speed going, but once it gets moving, it moves. Oh, wow, has a nice little rooster tail. All right. I like this thing. Oh. Oh, we flipped. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. All right, so the self-riding works. Oh! We hit a rock. Oh, that's not good. Whoopsie daisy. All right. Let's see if it's still alive. Oh, it's still alive. All right. Back it up. Wow. That was beautiful. What a moment. Nice. This thing moves. Oh, and we capsized again. Woohoo, I like this thing. I need more boats in my life. Ah, this thing's sick. I love it. Now let's check the range. All right. Let's check to see if we can get to the other side. All right, we're almost there. Wow, the range is really good on this. Nothing like sitting outside, lakeside, just driving around your boat. When you do turn, it slows down a little bit, probably to keep it from capsizing. All right, so I highly recommend this boat. If you can pick one up for, you know, under $100, that'll be great. At the time I'm filming this video, unfortunately, this model is sold out. So I guess it's a popular one. But I will link other boats just like it down below. So if you want to pick one up, I also like the shark version they have. That's a great one. Good fun for, you know, around $100 or sometimes even well below $100. Yeah, that's it. Not much to say about it. Get out there and go boating.